guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys 4 super duper easy ways to style your hair using a hair wrap. This is like one of my go-to ways to style my hair whenever I just, one, am like feeling lazy and don't feel like doing anything to my hair, or two, I just want like a really cute hairstyle with a little bit of extra oomph. And I feel like really cute head wraps like this one is just the perfect way to amp up your look a bit. Honestly, I cannot remember exactly where I got this head wrap from because it's like 3 years old. I've had it for so long, but it is so cute. I love the print on this one. If I can't remember, I'll go ahead and just link it down below in the description box. I'm not sure if the store would still have it or not, but you guys can at least go to the store and try to find one for yourself. All right, so let's just jump right into it. My hair is a 2-day-old wash and go, so my curls are honestly still pretty much intact. There isn't much frizz going on, nothing like that. My curls are still pretty defined, and honestly, I would recommend doing this on like 5-day-old hair because your curls aren't as tight and they're much more manageable, at least in my opinion, whenever it's like day 5 or day 6 hair. This hairstyle will be like a low bun with the head wrap, so I'm gonna keep out about this much of my bangs, and I'm gonna put the rest of my hair into a low ponytail. All right, so you put our hair in a low ponytail. I just wrapped it once. It's not tight or anything because it doesn't need to be tight. So this is our low ponytail. Now we are going to take the head wrap, and place it right over my head like so. And you want to make sure that each side is even, so you can just feel to see if each side is about even, because that would help in making sure that the wrap wraps properly. And I like to place the head wrap a little bit further forward because it'll slide back as you are wrapping it. So trust me, it's worth it to just go ahead and slide it up now, and then as you wrap it, it'll fall in place. So taking that, place it behind the ears, and then gather it where your low ponytail is. My ponytail is back here, so I'm grabbing the ponytail and the wrap in the same place. Next, I'm just twisting the wrap, but I'm also holding the ponytail still in place so that way my head wrap doesn't start to slide back. So I keep twisting all the way down, and last but not least, I just start to wrap. Then I just tuck the end piece in, and this is how it looks from the back. And this is how it looks from the front. It just slid back to the perfect position. So it's like right behind my bang area, if y'all can see that. So let's go ahead and move on to look number 2. For look number 2, I'm going to leave those same bangs out. Just put everything else into a high puff or ponytail, whatever you want to call it. And this is just a super loose, messy puff, nothing like too extravagant. We have our head wrap, and this one is super easy. All I'm going to do is just take my head wrap, bunch it together, start in the very back, like so. You guys see that? Next, I'm gonna take these 2 pieces right here and rotate them like so. So now this one, which was on this side, is now on this side. This one is now on this side. Tighten it and begin to just push it back to the back. Bring it around again to the front. Roll it and tuck it. So this piece here, I'm tucking it in the back. This piece here, I'm tucking it towards the front. Then you just want to fluff out your puff a little bit. You can even scoot your wrap back if you want to. And there you go. Super simple, super easy, but it's like so cute. I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. Let's go ahead and move on to look number 3. So look number 3 is actually pretty similar to look number 2, except for this time I'll put all of my hair into a ponytail. So let me go ahead and do that now. And again, this is a super like loose, messy ponytail. I feel like these hairstyles honestly look so much better whenever your hair isn't like neat, because I feel like the ponytail just kind of flows and just falls a lot better. So here is my ponytail, super simple. Now I'm gonna take my hair wrap. I'm gonna start from the front instead of the back. So last time I went from back to front. This time I'm going from front to back. Place it up front first and then bring it to the back. So take the wrap, so I just took these 2 pieces right here, crisscross. I didn't tie or anything, I just crisscrossed. And now I'm gonna go back up to the front. This time I'm gonna tie one side under the other. So I just tied those. And now I just twist and tuck, twist and tuck. That's it. Super easy. So I'm gonna twist this piece. And just tuck it in like I just did, and then twist this piece and tuck that piece in the back. So it's like super duper secure. And next up, I just scoot this back a little bit. I like to have my hairline showing, especially for this hairstyle. I'll have pieces fall in the front, pieces fall in the back. It's all good with me. But once I do that, that is the completed look, and this is what you get. So let's move on to the 4th and last head wrap hairstyle. For this last hairstyle, I want to keep my hair up into a high puff, and I'm just going to take my head wrap and I'm going to place it behind my hair. So as you can see here, my wrap is behind my head. So I'm gonna take both pieces, both of my hands, and pull them towards the front like you see here. I'm gonna take this piece right here that's just sitting up, tuck this part in, so that way it covers the puff. So now you can't see my puff anymore. You can't see any of my hair. And now I'm just going to wrap those pieces really tightly. And last but not least, I just wrap it around where my puff is. So my puff is right here, I can feel it. So I am just wrapping this twisted piece around the puff. My puff is still right here. The twisted piece is wrapped all the way around, and I tucked that end piece in right here. And this is how my wrap is looking. And if you ever feel your head wrap loosening up or like sliding up, just pull it down and it will go where you want for it to go. This is it, the final result. And I'll show you guys the back. This is how the back of it looks. All these hairstyles are super duper easy, take like less than 5 minutes each, and I promise once you get the hang of it, it's like clockwork. Just practice, take your time, be patient, and eventually you will be a pro at wrapping head wraps for different hairstyles. So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.